Virendra Singh, who's an MP from the Samajwadi Party, has described Indian captain Surya Kumar Yadav as PDA ka saathi. PDA term coined by Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, remember, stands for Pichhde Dalits and Alpasankyak, or backwards Dalits and minorities. Now, the opposition has stooped to a new low clearly by seeing cricket through the prism of caste. Samajwadi Party MP's criticism drew a sharp response from the BJP, who accused the opposition of indulging in caste politics. Remember, this comes after the Indian cricket team refused to shake hands with Pakistan before and after the match at the Asia Cup. They did so in protest against the Pahalgam terror attack and zero tolerance towards terrorism. Listen in to what Virendra Singh, the Samajwadi Party MP, has said.
मैं बधाई दूंगा अपने पीडीए के साथी सूर्य कुमार यादव को कि जिसने भारत की इज्जत रख ली और जीत के बाद, टॉस के बाद जो एक औपचारिकता के तौर पर दोनों टीमें हाथ मिलाती हैं, उन्होंने हाथ न मिला करके भारत के गौरव को बचा के रखा है। इसलिए हम उसका स्वागत और अभिनंदन करते हैं। कप्तान होने के नाते उसकी जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि देश के लिए कुर्बान होने वाले हमारे सेना के नौजवानों को वो एक संवेदना के साथ उनके साथ खड़ा रहे।
My colleagues Adib and Niyamika are with me for more on this. First to you, Adib, I believe you have the Samajwadi Party spokesperson Ashutosh Verma with you. Go ahead.
Well, definitely, Shreya, see a shocking statement that has come from Samajwadi Party MP, where he says that Surya Kumar Yadav, the Indian captain, is a member of the PDA. The PDA term was coined by Akhilesh Yadav, and now Samajwadi Party is using it and even referring the Indian cricket team as the PDA. We are joined by Ashutosh Verma, who is the Samajwadi Party spokesperson. Dr. Ashutosh, your Party MP is referring Surya Kumar Yadav as the member of the PDA. Now, apart from politicians, even these cricketers will be a part of the politics.
I think he must be overwhelmed with all the victory of India. I think it's not a very good statement for an MP to give a statement of PDA for a particular person who is representing the India. Fortunately, unfortunately, it would be a better move by Surya Kumar Yadav if he withheld himself from the playing with Pakistan. That will be a better move, because unfortunately Indian government has tried to play it with a country who had killed our 26 innocent people, including the army person in Pahalgam. It would be a better move from my side, I think. But saying some person who is a PD, who is representing the country, saying only a PDA member is not a good statement. I think the people who is sitting on the respectable position and constitutional post should avoid all these things.
So do you think Mr. Virendra Singh should withdraw his statement or issue an apology for making these kind of remarks?
No, nothing for apology. Look, there are two aspects of these statements. Surya Kumar Yadav, as such, he is a member of other backward classes. He is one part of PDA. But since Surya Kumar Yadav is known for his captaincy, Surya Kumar Yadav is known for his representing the Indian team. So as per se, he is representing the India. And you can't say that he is known for only the PDA word. He is a part of PDA, but he is not only the part of PDA. He is known as the captain of India representing the country.
But don't you think it's not appropriate to link the Indian cricket team with the politics, with the party politics that the Samajwadi Party is doing?
No, why Samajwadi Party is doing a politics? Politics is doing by the Bharatiya Janata Party. When Bharatiya Janata Party was in opposition, he always opposes the playing cricket with Pakistan. Now what happened? Have you remember what had happened after Mumbai attack? These petty politicians of Bharatiya Janata Party, including the late Arun Jaitley Sahab, Sushma Swaraj ji, Madan Lal Khurana ji, Lal Kish Advani, they all condemned the UPA government at that time to not to play match with Pakistan. And now they are just muted because of money, because BCCI and ACI chairman is Amit Shah's son. This is the politics they are playing with India.
So, this is how Samajwadi Party is reacting to the statement given by the MP. In fact, Samajwadi Party is hitting out at BJP, saying that when they were in opposition, they were raising voices, but now the BJP is not saying anything, and they also say that it's not good for an MP who's sitting in a position to make such kind of remarks. So, back to you, Shreya.
All right, Adib, I'll keep coming back to you for more on this. Let me also quickly play out political reactions that are coming in on this particular statement. Viewers, listen in to how the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party are reacting to this.
अगर है तुम्हारी औकात, क्या नाम है इनका, सूर्य कुमार यादव, अगर तुम्हारी औकात है और तुम्हारी बीसीसीआई की औकात है और तुम्हारी आईसीसी की औकात है, तो तुम्हें दूसरी चुनौती भी देते हैं। जितना पैसा तुमने इन ब्रॉडकास्टिंग राइट्स से कमाया है, एडवर्टाइजर्स से कमाया है और इस पूरे के पूरे धंधे में क्रिकेट के आपने कमाया है, दे दो उन शहीदों की विधवाओं को, 26 औरतों को दे दो वो सारा का सारा। हम भी मान जाएंगे तुमने डेडिकेट किया है। हिम्मत नहीं है, औकात नहीं है इनकी ये कर सके। हाँ, फर्जी में कुछ भी बोल दो, ये हमने उसको डेडिकेट कर दिया, ये हमने उसको डेडिकेट कर दिया। बहुत शर्म की बात है।
सर, जिस प्रकार से भारत पाकिस्तान के मैच में जो कुछ हुआ, इंटरनल पॉलिटिक्स शुरू हो गई। समाजवादी पार्टी के एमपी कास्ट पॉलिटिक्स ले आए हैं, कह रहे हैं कि पीडीए के साथ ही सूर्य कुमार यादव, इसलिए कि ये सब।
अच्छा, देखो क्या कुछ लोगों की आदत है, चोट कराची को लगेगी, चीख जो है वो कास्ट कुबेरों की निकलती है। अब चीख जो है वो अगर कास्ट कुबेरों की निकल रही है और चोट कराची को लग रही है, तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि उनके जो है वो मन में क्या है।